We are pleased to show you the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic moonroof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.